A dual heritage ceremony this morning at the confluence of the Turanganui River and Waikanae stream was a taster for the 250th anniversary commemorations of first formal contact between Maori and European. It is a sign of peace, commemoration and reconciliation for those who died in 1769, said Miri Boynton.
Some of our tipuna were killed in that first encounter. It was the beginning of the nation as we are today, New Zealand Aotearoa, the meeting of two peoples, one alien, one tangata whenua. It really forms the person that I am today.
The ceremony opened with a fleet of horuta and marikura waka paddlers sailing down the river to be met by a solo waka. Ms. Boynton welcomed the paddlers with a waiata. Rangatu spiritual leader Wirangi Pera delivered a karakia, followed by Reverend Stephen Donald, who also read a prayer.
In all the peoples who live here, Maori, Pākehā and others.
A Latter-day Saints choir sang "Come Follow Me", and the Gisborne Combined Concert Band performed All Things Bright and Beautiful, Be Still in the Presence of the Lord, and New Zealand March, Rangi Ao Whia. To conclude the ceremony, Ms. Boynton invited people to follow the Gisborne Pipe Band as they marched to Waikanae Surf Lifesaving Club for breakfast.